All right, we will add our mushrooms to our garlic. Remember each one to make sure that they're separated so we don't get any big clumps of raw mushroom. And while those are sauteing, we'll take our bunch of cilantro. And again, we want to use the back part of the knife because that's the sharpest part of the knife because it's the least used. And use our front hand to steady. And we're just going to go over this once the big leaves have been cut down and the stems. And we'll drag and bang all of these together. Then we'll come back and stir our garlic and our mushrooms.